The following video will demonstrate how easy it is to secure your Foley catheters with the MC Johnson Catheter. Applying the Catheter is as simple as prep, peel, press, and fasten. First, have the patient extend the hip fully. Failure to do so will result in undue traction on the catheter. Next, remove the product and the instructional card from the packaging. You may want to save the card for future reference. Proper skin preparation is essential to the success of the Catheter Foley securement device. So after checking for proper insertion, clean the application area with alcohol, or for sensitive skin, warm water and soap. Be sure to clean an area larger than the Catheter. Make sure the area is completely dry before applying the Catheter. Next, peel the adhesive backing off the Catheter and position it on the upper front of the thigh. This allows the lumen to catch on the securing tab if accidentally pulled. Wrap the securing tab under the V and beyond the lumen of the catheter where the leg bag connects. Then secure the hook and loop tab so the catheter is firmly held in place. To ensure the Catheter remains in position for extended periods, always hold down the base of the hook and loop with one finger when releasing the hook and loop tab. To remove the Catheter, simply release the hook and loop tab to free the catheter. Then, beginning with one edge, peel the product off just like removing a Band-Aid. The adhesive on the Catheter is alcohol soluble, so if removal is somewhat difficult, simply dampen the base with alcohol and removal will be much easier. To learn more about Catheter or any of our superior products, please contact MC Johnson to request a free sample.